Good morning everybody and welcome to today's hike. We are once again in the Napf region for a semi-winter hike. There isn't much snow left, so to say it's a winter hike would be an exaggeration, but yeah, it's the 31st of December, so yeah, it's almost winter. We thought that would be a good opportunity to go outside, enjoy maybe the last few sun rays before the great cold. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna hike for...
The great grey.
Yeah, the great grey. We're gonna hike for about 24 kilometers. Nice to have you along the ride.
We've been here, I think, 3 or 4 times before and we always filmed, so
yeah. Here's to the next one. And as usual in the Napf region, it is super steep. Snow, snow, snow.
pick up 3.
Ay, ay, ay.
Flo is feeling the summer vibes. Hmm?
We just got past a stretch of asphalt and shadow, which was quite cold. But yeah, now we're back on the sunny side and also going back uphill to, I guess, the highest point of the day. From there on, it will be net downhill all the way down into the valley. Also, I'm already looking forward to lunch.
Already?
Yes, of course.
But are you already hungry or just looking forward to it?
Looking forward and a little bit hungry. I repeat once again, never underestimate the Napf region. There's the Wanderweg sign, and then up there is the next one. Yeah, Alina just saw it. Steeper Napf region, where champions are made. I guess they smelled us. Alina,
That's my first time.
Your first time?
I think seeing those gunshi.
Yeah.
From
No.
so close. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. And I spotted them.
Yes, it was Alina that spotted them.
And I was like, Flo, are those wild animals?
Yes. Because how could one see wild animals from so close?
Ooh, showing off for the camera.
Does it pick up? He is far quicker, or she is far quicker up there than we are. is just too steep. Soon we will be on top. The views are real. Any emotions? Thank you. We have reached the highest point. From now on, we will follow, if the camera picks it up, the Alpen Panoramaweg. And once we will be done with today, we'll have over several hikes completed the whole loop. Now, our next goal will be to find a decent lunch spot with sun, sheltered from the wind, and hopefully a little bench. But we'll see if all of these three conditions will be met.
Oh yeah.
It has become a little bit tricky. Chances are good that we'll come around this bend and there will be our lunch spot. Fingers crossed. Did we find what we were looking for?
Perfect spot.
Yes. And also nice lunch. We got vegan Zopf, like bread, and also veganese and vegan, how would you call it?
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie.
And even there was a dog. First people we saw, by the way, and they had a dog and he was fooled by it, so
Yeah.
he was immediately triggered when we opened the pack, so I think that's the absolute quality sign.
Yes. Dog approved.
Welcome to Flo's coffee show. Please be our guest in the preparation of the one and only Bripe, as seen on James Hoffman's YouTube channel, of course. Oh
no, it's going overboard.
So, first step is putting water in there, then coffee, thermometer to stir, and then the real deal. Heat it up. How much are we?
180 degrees Fahrenheit.
And how much do we need?
180 degrees.
Woohoo! Let's bripe. It's quite good.
Hot. Hot. Are you filming a TV spot for Bripe?
Yes.
Well, it is delicious. It's been smooth sailing since we started again after having lunch, making quick progress. Ja, ik ga. once again. It's just gorgeous.
So it's the 31st of January, and that's December, of course. And as probably many people, we've thought about the upcoming year, and we already signed up for 3 races. In April we're gonna do the Coursement Terrible again, but this time we're gonna be competing together in the 70k race, split up in 2 parts of 33 and for me 37 for Flo kilometers, and then somewhere in August we are gonna do a 50k race together, but it's gonna be my season highlight. Flo will be my mental support, and then Flo is gonna do the Wildstrubel in September, and I will be there to do the support stuff and maybe
and physical support.
Yes. Anyway, looking forward to it.
Yes, we are. At the moment, we are having a little race against the setting sun.
And we didn't bring our proper headlamp.
Yes, so looks like there will be some hiking, stumbling in the dark. We've got beautiful golden evening light. So, we are past the 20k mark, and we've got about 3.5 k's to go.
And the sun is setting.
Yeah, we are enjoying the last sun race, so we thought we might as well film the outro. So that's it for today. We're gonna take the next train home and celebrate the new year. So I guess that's what almost everybody's gonna do. So yeah, hope you're having a good start to the new year, and bye bye.
Happy New Year. Bye bye. How many minutes do we have left for the train's departure?
Let me see. 6 minutes.
6 minutes. Wow.
Yes.
Could have done another loop.